right, time now for Jeff's feature. Today we're going to talk about extended warranties,
yes,
Jeffrey.
And the reason I did this, we're here with all these beautiful automobiles, all these wonderful manufacturers, and they offer a warranty with their vehicle. Sometimes it's 3-year 36, sometimes it's 5-year 60. So what should you consider when you buy an extended warranty? Now, all these folks have the extended warranties in addition to that 3-year 36 and 560, but what else do you want? You want a bumper-to-bumper warranty? Well, it covers all the mechanical systems except for a few items explicitly listed in a non-covered binder of what they're going to sell you. Bumper-to-bumper warranties typically offer excellent coverage and include a lot of repairs, and other warranties don't. So what about the powertrain? Well, the powertrain includes the engine, transmission, front and rear wheel systems, the related components on those systems. The warranty covers the cost of repairing or replacing these parts should they malfunction. A powertrain warranty covers fewer parts than the car, but usually lasts longer than the other types of warranties. Wear and tear warranties. Now, that's stuff that doesn't always get covered on a warranty program, but most manufacturer warranties don't cover repairs due to the natural wear and tear. Belts, tires, hoses, and things of that nature. So look for a good one. Some of them do offer that, and beyond the normal experiences of a warranty. Maintenance plans. Well, plans are similar to the prepaid service plan, but with more coverage. Like a service plan, it covers the routine oil changes. It covers basically inspections and basically maintenance of that particular vehicle, some of the labor and some of the parts. Emissions. Do you be concerned about emission warranties? Well, you should, because warranties protect you from the cost of repairs of emission-related failures and beyond your control. Catalytic converters comes to mind. Manufacturers are required to provide broad emission warranty coverage for your cars younger than 5 years old and have less than 50,000 miles. Factory accessory plans, they're all out there. About wheels, tires, you can actually get that protective paint coverage. Rust and corrosion warranties, they're available as well. So look into it, choose the right plan. Even though you have a warranty, 3-year 36, whatever the case, you can still buy added coverage onto that. Now, with my new vehicle, I could have done that. It would have been another $6,000 for a factory warranty from Buick. Now, if you're doing these outside coverages, be careful, because they list them. There's like 10 of them out there, and they list them top to bottom. And there's a lot of them you see on TV that are at the bottom. So
you know what I do?
I don't want to mention them.
I go to Consumer Reports and see what they say.
That was my next one. You get on there, do that research.
Yeah.
You know, you can apply for that, get a temporary pass to get in there and look
you know,
at
we
it.
have a relationship with the Consumer Reports.
Mm-hmm.
Matter of fact, I now am a subscriber.
You are.
And I didn't get a discount. I paid my $20 or whatever it was.
They were offering a $10 discount.
I know that, and I didn't do that.
They gave him the special $20 one.
Yeah. I didn't get that, but I'm starting to get the magazines now. There's so much in there. I'm liking it.
Be aware of what you want. If you got the money to do that and you got the means, go ahead and do it if you want to. I used to do it. I don't have one now, but be careful. And because we're here with all these fine folks, something to look into.
Yeah. Well, I have to tell you that this is a new car show. There are also some exotics here. Mm-hmm. There are detailers here. There are a lot of ancillary support people here that do all sorts of different things. So when you come here to look at the cars, be sure and look at some of the people. What?
No, you got NASA here too with
and
one
NASA,
of their moon crawlers.
Yeah, that would be interesting just to go see.
Yeah, where is that?
I think it's in that front corner, kind of opposite of us.
So
well, that would be that way or that way.
Yeah. No, I believe it's this way.
Okay, whatever the case may be. Mars,
put a cable in it.
Yeah.